Okay, now it's time to eat my delicious burritos. I have ginger tea, herbal. I'm going to switch to all herbal. What I don't want to do after getting off of this Diet Coke habit is to get any kind of... I got off my sleeping pills. I was suffering. But, you know, for years I was able to sleep, which I am grateful. But, you know, I'm getting older now, and I think it's your liver doesn't metabolize anything efficiently. So, you know, no more sleeping pills. But now I'm I can't say I'm sleeping good because that is not true. I never have. I had a doctor one time. One time I had this really good doctor, and if you can believe, he killed himself. And I told him, I had this Diet Coke habit, and he said, you better quit. And I said, okay. And he said, you're not going to quit. He's been dead forever, too, and I still haven't quit, but I'm working on it. So, okay, I had 2 of these. I'm eating my, salsa up. And then I bought this. I think I've been eating all these burritos because I just want to eat guacamole. So this is good. This is like a demonstration of eating all of your food, which if you buy, I think this is another trick on the stockpile. Don't buy any food you don't like. Yesterday, this was funny, in the video, in the car video that I deleted because it wasn't very nice. I had candy, and I go, hey, you didn't disclose the candy, but I bought the candy on the way out of the store. These I did buy. Walmart is reasonable on these. And really, for tea parties, tea and cookies, I guess these are probably the best. I say that about every kind. So I put some, just before I fried my burritos, I put some olives in there. I used evaporated milk in my refried beans. This time I used about 2 cups, which is a lot. I don't usually do that, but this time it just worked out. So this is bacon and bean burritos, homemade. Look at this. Yummy, yummy. So, okay, this is one of my cheap type meals, but it's good. It's cheaper than Taco Bell, if you can believe that. I made 7 burritos. I use a 1 can, is this a pound? Oh, it's 19. This is a big can of Dollar Tree. And I can tell you this is a very, very yummy, yummy burrito. You gotta try this, you guys. So the great thing about this is I have 5 more of these in the freezer. I made them kind of small because sometimes I just want a snack. Walmart. So this is really good. So tonight I will make a big pot of food. I don't know what the pot of food is going to be. You'll know when I know. And so, okay, you guys. This is good. God bless you.